question. I think, can this be treated as holidays? Right. I think very specifically the central government circular says it shall be deemed to be on duty. So necessarily, I think it cannot be deemed as holidays. Even if it is done so, I think then it should be a paid holiday. That's it. Right. So either people essential, if there is some essential work to be carried out in the factory or an office, then the employer has to necessarily get a permission from the authority concerned, be it district collector or municipal commissioner or deputy commissioner, whoever it is. When they have this permit from the authority, then they can ask minimum number of employees to come for work to carry out the essential activities. So, so when they come for work, necessarily they are to be paid wages. The other rest of the employees, even though they are not coming for work, they may be asked to work from home, irrespective of whether actually they are working from home or not. I think they are to be paid wages as per the current notifications or circulars or guidelines issued by the various government. That is where the situation stands now. Yeah, move on. Yeah, can the employees be asked to go on leave? I think this is next question. See, when we say leave, I think this is an entitlement of the individual employee. So whether should I apply for leave or not, it is to be decided by me. I think employer cannot dictate. Then I think that will not be considered as legal. That will not be considered as a right methodology. I don't think employees can be asked to go on leave during the period of this 21 days. It is not possible. Yeah, it cannot be mandated by the employer. It is to be, it is a discretion of the individual employee. So individual employee has to decide, right? Yeah. So can an employer defer a part of the wages, say 50%, and pay it later? I think it is not possible. Again, be it in the industry or in the shops and commercial establishments, will make payment of wages of their workers on the due date without any reduction for the period their establishments are under closure during the lockdown. I think as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Home Affairs or maybe the other states, I think it cannot be done. Any deduction, no, it is not possible. But for some reason, I think if the company itself is not getting the revenues, and if you are in a position to prove that, and if you are also in a position to say that you do not have adequate maybe backup to make the payment of wages to the individual employees of your company, then I think you may have to specially take a permission to go ahead with this. Yeah. Yeah, next one. So can an employer terminate the services of an employee during, of course, this is also, this cannot be done again. This is very specifically, again, guidelines are given by the governments. No, the central government as well as some of the state governments, they have very specifically instructed not to terminate the services of the employees. No, it is not possible. Yeah. If the principal employer withholds the service charge to the contractor, he or she in turn cannot pay to his or her workers, that is the contract workers. Under the circumstances, who will be held liable? Of course, it will be liability will be on the principal employer, because again the circulars clearly say contract workers are also to be paid fully, right? So I think it will be, when we say contract worker, I think it should be from the perspective of the principal employer. Right. So normally, under the normal situation, the immediate employer and the principal employer will be liable to pay the wages to the contract workers, because the contractor is considered to be the employer for the contract workers. So in the first place, he has to pay. Only if he fails, the liability will go to the principal employer. But this is some abnormal situation, and the circulars are very specific. So the liability will rest with the principal employer for making payment of wages to contract workers also, particularly for this period of 21. So whatever we discuss, it is very specifically for this period of 21